All right, guys. Now to take all of this upstairs. Let's do it. All right, gotta be smart about this. Put this in this bag. Grab this vinyl. Put it in here as well. Carry this with my foot. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Yo. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right. So it's the next morning, and now we're just gonna jump right into this one. I just gotta get a knife real quick, and yeah, or actually I have one here. Boom, box cutter. There you go. All right, you guys. So we're ready to do this. So got my box cutter, and yeah, let's get this unboxing going.
Required for warranty service. So just in case, I don't want to destroy the box. Oh, you guys see that? It's here. Alright, so it's actually a box. Double box. So that's pretty cool. Got the Empress manual, owner's manual. Alright, so I got this vinyl cutter, and some of this vinyl. Yep, pretty cool. Satisfaction, there's our satisfaction guarantee. Okay, I'll read that later. Probably not. Oh, big old foam piece. There she is. Heat press. Let's go. Alright, man, I'm excited for this.
Alright. Boom. It is heavy. Boom. Empress heat transfer solutions. Ready? Watch. Check it out. Oh, you want a shirt? Okay. Here, let me press it for you. Boom. Ah, yes. Yeah, there she is. Now let's get into the rest of the unboxing. On second thought, I'm actually going to go to the store and get a cutting mat because my desk looks ugly and I also need one. Can't find my old one. Anywho, yeah, let's just go right now. Warming it up. Alright, y'all. I'm off to Walmart actually because I saw something online. It's called a self-healing cutting mat. It looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go get that right now. Boom, I'll get this one. Take this one, and I'll take this yardstick. Boom. I'm gonna see if I can find a smaller one as well, but if not, this should be fine. I don't really see any small ones here. Maybe they're in a different location. All right, y'all, I think it's right here in this aisle. Yes, sir. Bada bam, bada boom. This one's a little slanted. Pretty good. I'll put this one back. All right, we're good to go. Two rulers, one, and a cutting mat. So let's go. All right. Oh, and I actually bought a shirt too. So just so I can practice on, but I think I'm gonna use this one obviously when I'm obviously gonna use it when I get my vinyl cutter, so. All right, you guys, so I got this cutting mat, obviously, as you guys saw, this yardstick, and this ruler. So the first item that we're going to, I guess, unbox is this free vinyl that Heat Press Nation gave me. It's part of the Black Friday sale. So they gave me quite a few colors. They gave me this cool like pink glittery one, a blue glittery. I like this one. It's gold. It's gold and it has like crazy pattern. That's awesome. And then you have like a plain green one and a black one here. Another glitter like blue looking one, but this one's actually like actual glitter, I guess you could say. Same red type of material as the blue, or look I should say. This one's tight. I think this is like my favorite one. This white, super awesome. And this red one. All right, you guys, so what is that, 9 sheets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, yep, 9. So the next item is this X-Acto knife. Ooh, ah. There you go. By the way, this mat works perfect, well, you know, like with the X-Acto knives and stuff. It's self-healing, so it would take really a little to no damage when you cut, which is awesome. Now, my sister is going to unbox this, well, I guess unwrap this kind of kit right here. It's like a weeding kit. So go ahead.
Kind of hard.
So that's that in there. And this is part of the gift my girlfriend gave me, as you guys saw in the last video. So
That's sharp.
boom, this is like to take out like the cavity, so they say on the vinyl material. Weeding.
Tweezers.
And some tweezers.
Like some
squeegees. Some type of squeegees to kind of like
fix.
Yeah. Put your material on, whether it is
and
on the vinyl transfer sheet and all that good stuff.
Some scissors.
Yeah, and some scissors. What's up with those smiley faces? But yeah, I think that's it. That's it all in the bag, right?
Mhm.
All right, that's it for that.
And it came with this.
Yeah, the card.
Ooh,
Boom.
Instagram.
On to the next one.
Okay.
Yes, next up we have this vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse. I'm not sure whether it's the Caesar Easy Weed vinyl or the Oracle 651. Let's see. Hopefully it has like some type of label, because I wouldn't know. Okay, honestly, this is awful. I thought I had way more. I thought it would look like so much bigger. Okay, this is the Easy Weed. Easy Weed Black, Easy Weed White, the Caesar, so we call it. Well, I'm gonna have to buy some more, honestly. But is it, like I said, this is kind of like just to get me started. I don't plan on obviously mass producing anything. So, but we'll go little by little, step by step, you know. Now we have this one. Now this one must be the Oracle 651. All right. Oh, look at this. Now this one has a lot more. Honestly, I pretty much forgot what I ordered and how much I ordered. Now on to the next. All right, guys, so right here we have your simple basic adhesive transfer tape. I believe this is, oh geez, it might have been 5 yards. I forgot how much was it. Okay, hold on. Boom. So what this is like when you get your decals and stuff, you're able to transfer it out. And, you know, it's hard to explain, but I will definitely show you guys how it looks like once I do get my vinyl cutter. So right here, I'm just kind of trying to show you how it looks like. Boom. Boom. And that's what you stick your decals onto and kind of like transfer it over to whatever you're going to stick it on. So that's that. Alright fam, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for part 3 because that's when I do get my vinyl cutter. And I'm going to unbox that and show how that one works. So I'm excited for that. So subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified when I do upload again. Alright guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace.